With Easter and Mother's Day right around the corner, not to mention all the spring get-togethers that'll be going on, now's the time to start thinking about what we can make that's a bit different. How about a quiche? Not just a regular quiche, but one that they'll remember long after it's served. We start by lining a deep dish pie plate with a pie crust and fluting the edges. As for the cheese, rather than sticking to the basics, why not try some fun and trendy ones which will take your quiche to a whole new level? Here we start with shredded Steakhouse Onion cheddar. Top it with some cooked sirloin, then add more cheese. We finish it with a mixture of beaten eggs and half before popping it in the oven. So the next time you're in the market, try picking up cheeses like horseradish cheddar, smoked Gouda, or maybe a maple bacon cheddar to add some personality to your quiche. And when it comes out all melty and packed with flavor, top it with some onion rings and you're good to go. If you'd like the recipe for our Steakhouse Onion Quiche, as well as our Buffalo Wing Quiche and our Champagne Mushroom Quiche that's made with champagne cheddar, simply visit our website and type in Fancy Dancy Quiche. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a new and creative way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.